Welcome back and thanks for watching the Daily Meta. We got a great show planned for you today featuring the Nothing Phone and their partnership with the Polygon network, Binance eliminating all fees for Bitcoin trading, and finally, Riot Blockchain moving to Texas. At the time of recording, the market cap of the entire cryptocurrency industry is just over $925 billion with a 24-hour volume of around $59 billion. Dominance still in Bitcoin's favor, 42.4%, and Ethereum coming in second with 15.7%. Here's a list of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the industry today, Bitcoin holding at number 1 spot and Dogecoin finishing off the list at number 10. Our first story of the day is brought to you by the Nothing Phone and the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, Polygon. Early last month on June 5th, the London-based consumer tech company Nothing unveiled its first look at the NFT project Nothing Community Dots. There's a whole bunch of nothing in this, so if you are a little confused, just stick with me. The Nothing company will first deliver its NFTs to its community investors. Then there will be an airdrop to all the pre-order holders of the Nothing One phone. 10 very lucky owners of the Black Dot NFT project will receive a special invitation to later this year's phone launch. It's a secret event that only investors are going to be invited to, but also you're going to have the opportunity to get an invitation by owning this NFT project. Thanks to the Nothing company and the partnership between the Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution Polygon, the smartphone will make it a lot easier for its users to connect to Web3. The Nothing and Polygon team have been working together for about 5 months just to decide how this is going to be integrated into their phone. The Polygon team and the Nothing team will integrate its Web3 tech into the smartphones, introducing its apps and games. The Nothing team also announced that the Nothing One phone will also have the capability to run Polygon's new proof-based identification solution, Polygon IDs, along with hosting all the apps and all the wallets that currently run on the Polygon blockchain. The Nothing co-founder Carl Pei also noted that with this Nothing Community Dots project, we're using the Web3 technologies to create a more meaningful connection with our community. By partnering with Polygon, a leader in blockchain innovation, we're delivering an accessible and more importantly, a more sustainable Web3 experience. Our second story of the day is brought to you by the original blockchain Bitcoin and the world's largest crypto custodian, Binance. So Binance, the world's largest crypto custodian, will remove Bitcoin trading fees on its global platform in celebration of its 5th anniversary. This move was acted upon by Binance shortly after last month's announcement that they were going to be removing all of the fees for spot Bitcoin trading on the US platform Binance.us. Ever since last month's announcement that they would be removing spot Bitcoin trading fees, other cryptocurrency exchanges and custodians within the US have been noticing the severe outflows of Bitcoin going out of their custodian arms into the arms of Binance. Here on the Daily Meta, we don't promote any type of financial advice or financial anything. We don't want to be your CPA and we're not CPAs, but I do want to say if you want to purchase Bitcoin at a good price on the spot market, there is nothing better than Binance. They will give you the best deals, the best prices, and there's zero fees. From my understanding, they're one of the only companies within the US that allow over-the-counter trading and institutional investment within their own portal. So go to the website and check it out yourself. Our third and final story of the day is brought to you by the publicly traded cryptocurrency and Bitcoin mining company Riot Blockchain. As one of the leaders within the publicly traded cryptocurrency mining space, Riot Blockchain seeks to reduce operating expenses and also lower the power costs, eliminating all third-party hosting fees by moving their miners from New York to the Texas area. On Wednesday, Riot Blockchain announced that they will be moving the remainder of their S19 fleet that's hosted at CoinMint to Riot's Windstone facility in Rockdale, Texas, later in July. The move comes amid many parts of Texas experiencing temperatures over 100 degrees Fahrenheit and power demands rising for air conditions to keep residents cool. Data from the state's primary energy provider, the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, or ERCOT, forecast that the prices for the southern hub, which would include Riot's facility in Rockdale, would peak at 95.94 per megawatt hour over the next 24 hours. However, the report suggested that the energy production from the wind and solar has helped to reduce the cost amid increasing demand for power. The cryptocurrency mining firm reportedly produced around 421 Bitcoin last June, but sold around 300 of their Bitcoin for around $6.2 million, leaving Riot holding holding around 6,654 coins as of Thursday. The company reported that there were 42,455 miners in their fleet producing around an average rate of 4.4 exahashes.